What we do? We- yes, that is must. Arranging them in the ascending order. Then for range we find highest minus lowest. How we find class mark? Class mark. Lower limit. Lower limit plus upper limit divide by 2. Okay. If class intervals are not continuous, what do you mean by class intervals are not continuous? The upper one class. If class intervals are not continuous, then what you do? You find the adjustment factor. That adjustment factor we subtract from lower limit and we add to upper limit. The class interval becomes continuous. Okay. Now let us solve 8.1. Let us solve 8.1. Construct a cumulative frequency distribution table from the frequency table given below. So find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Find cumulative frequency. That we read as CF. Cumulative frequency. We write as CF. The table is given class interval. Make this table class interval that is CI, and we are given frequency. We are given frequency that is F. Now we want to find cumulative frequency. We want to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency that is CF. F means frequency, CF means cumulative frequency. So make this table. F means frequency, CF means cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. So let us make this table. All of you write down your division roll number in the chat box. From there I will consider the attendance. 0 to 8, frequency is 9. Then 8 to 16, frequency is 13. Then 16 to 24, frequency is 12. 16 to 24, frequency is 12. Then 24 to 32, 24 to 32, frequency is 7. Then 32 to 40, frequency is 15. Find CF, cumulative frequency. Find CF, cumulative frequency. Find CF, cumulative frequency. Now how we find cumulative frequency? Now first frequency and cumulative frequency that remains same. First CF and frequency remains same. Now to find next CF. See here, how will find next CF? Add 9, in this way you go. Add 9 to 13 and write this. Add 9 to 13. So what is that? 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13. 22. Yes, board is clear. Then how will find next frequency? This 22 add 12. 22 plus 12. So next will be 22 plus 12. That is 34. Now to find next frequency, add 34 to 7. Add 41. 34 plus 7. That is 41. To find next frequency, add 41 to 5. 41 to 15. So 41 plus 15, that is 56. And this is the table of CF. So you can directly write 22. I have shown you the calculation 9 plus 13, 22. You can directly write 22. Okay. Then second, class interval and frequency. Second one will be homework, class interval and frequency. Same way you will do. Okay. Yes. Should I give homework? Second one. Then construct a frequency distribution table from cumulative frequency. What we have done, see, from frequency we have obtained cumulative frequency. Now ninth one it is reverse. Ninth one it is reverse. From CF you have to find frequency. So ninth first, that is find CF, find frequency F, find frequency F from CF. In short I am writing. Okay. So find frequency F from cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. In 8th one we are given frequency. 9th one we have to find frequency from CF. Yes. Okay. So first it is given class interval and cumulative frequency first. Class interval, then CF. Now next is frequency F. F means frequency. Class interval, cumulative frequency and frequency. Class interval 10 to 19. CF is given 8. Then 20 to 29. CF is given 19. Then 30 to 39. Frequency CF is given 23. Then 40 to 49. CF is given 30. CF is given 30. Okay. So find frequency. What we have observed CF. First value of frequency and CF remain same. First value of frequency and CF remain same. So first value will remain same. So first frequency will be 8. Then for this next, yes, 8 I. Now see this. How that will come? See this. From frequency to CF, we add, yes or no? We add 13 plus 9. But from CF to frequency, you have to subtract. So what is that? Yes, tell me. What will be that? 19 minus 8. For CF, we add frequency. For frequency, we subtract. So 19 minus 8, that is 11. Now next, 11 and 23. Subtract 11 from 23. 23 minus 11, that is 12. Now subtract 12 from 30. 30 minus 12 is 18. 13 minus 12 is 18. Is it clear? So remember, from CF to frequency we subtract, and from frequency to CF we add. So this you remember. Is it clear? Yes. Wait. Some mistake has come. 1 minute. So first frequency we write as it is. First frequency we write as it is. 8, 8. Then 19 minus 8. See here, we do not consider next value, my dear. CF is given, no? So 8, 8 we write as it is. Then 19 minus 8, 11. Then 19 minus 8 is 11. Okay. So first you consider difference of, we don't go in that way. First we consider difference of these two. Now we consider difference of these two for frequency. Yes. Don't go in that way for frequency. So 23 minus 19, that is 4. Now we find difference of these two. 30 minus 23, that is 7. Yes. So for CF 23, that is 7. So for frequency, don't go in this order. For frequency, we go in this order. Subtract. For CF, we go in this zigzag way. For CF, we go zigzag way. For frequency, we go in the vertical order. Subtract. Take the difference of these two. Okay. Then second one will be homework. Second one will be homework. Okay. 9 second will be homework. Second will be homework. Now let us do third one. 10th one. So for CF you have to go zigzag, but for frequency from CF you have to go vertical. Take the difference. For CF we add. Okay. Now 10th one. 10th one. 10th one, what is given? Construct a frequency table. Construct a frequency table from the following. So 10th one is construct a frequency table. Construct a frequency table from the following. Okay. So less than 10 marks. Less than 10 marks. And you are given frequency. You are given less than, construct a frequency table from the following: less than 10 marks, 6 students. Okay, so let us write. Let us write CI for marks. Marks. Then we write CF. Then we write CF, cumulative frequency, then we write frequency. Okay. So remember, whenever it is less than and frequency is given, that means that is CF, not your frequency here. Okay. So whenever that class interval is given less than 10, further part will not be your frequency, further part will be your CF, cumulative frequency. Remember that. So less than 10, what will be the class interval? Yes, less than 10. 0 to 10. Yes. So whenever it is less than 10, you are not given the frequency, you are given the value of CF, cumulative frequency. So what is given? That 6. CF is 6 because it is less than marks. Then less than 20, so 10 to 20, 10 to, not 11. No, my dear, less than 10 means 0 to 10. Then less than 20 will be 10 to 20. Okay, because 10 will come in which? Tell me. 10 will come in the lower limit, no, my dear. If you consider CF, just now somebody told me that, sir, you take 11 to 20. Okay, if I will take 11 to 20, can you tell me where the marks 10 will go? Yes, tell me, where you will consider marks 10? 10 I cannot consider in upper limit. And there is no lower limit in the 10. So 10 marks will not appear anywhere. Are you getting? Yes? Yes or no? Somebody said 11 to 20. If you consider 11 to 20, then where 10 marks will go? Because less than 10 means 0 to 10. 6. Then we consider 10 to 20. Because 10 marks also we have to consider, no, in the lower limit. So 10 to 20, it is 15. Whenever it is less than means it is CF. The next 20 to 30, CF is 30. Then 30 to 40, CF is 39. Okay. Then 40 to 50, less than 50, it is 53. then it is less than 60, means 50 to 60. Okay. So CF is 70. Now from CF how we will find frequency F? Tell me. From CF how we find frequency? We have to go vertical. Yes, we have to go vertical. Are you getting this? So first frequency and CF remain same, so 6 will remain 6. Then for next it will be 15 minus 6, that is 9. Then it will be next 30 minus 15, 13 minus 15, that is 15. Okay, so we have considered difference of these two, then difference of these two, now difference of these two. 39 minus 30, 9. 39 minus 30, that is 9. Yes, directly you can write. 53 minus 39. 53 minus 39, that is 40. Then 70 minus 53. 70 minus 53. 70 minus 53, that is 70. So this is the table of frequency. Okay. So wherever it is given, you can write. You can add all the frequency. What is the total? Tell me. You can add all the frequencies. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 15, 30 plus 9, 39. 39 plus 14, 53. 53 plus 17. What is that? 70. Okay, 70. So this is the frequency table. So whenever it is given less than 10, then further part will not be your frequency. Further part will be your CF, cumulative frequency. Remember, whenever it is given class interval and this value, that means it is your frequency. Then 11. Construct the frequency distribution table from the following. Construct the frequency distribution table from the following. 11th one. Construct the frequency distribution table from the following. Construct the frequency distribution table from the following. Construct the frequency distribution table from the following. Okay. Then 11. Construct the frequency distribution table. So 11. Frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Again you have to find frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Okay. So what is given? Ages. You are given ages. Then what type of data it is given? Below. So what type of data is given? Frequency or CF? Tell me. Whenever it is less than or below, means you are given CF. Okay, so you are given CF. So from CF I have to find frequency F. We have to find frequency F. Okay. We have to find frequency F. Okay. Now what is given? Below 4. Below 4, 0. Yes. Below 4, 0. No, my dear. Below 4, it is given 0 number of students are there. So your class interval will start from 4 onwards. Are you getting this? Yes or no? Tell me. Below 4 it is 0, no? Below 4, this CF is 0. So this we leave. Okay? So this we do not write. I am writing here but I am cancelling this. Because below 4 it is 0. So no need to write down that is the class interval. Now can you tell me what is next? below 4, below 4, then below 7. So below 4 means below 4, 0. So 4 onwards, 4 and 4 onwards will come, no? Below 4, then 4 and above 4. So below 4, 0. So now it will be 4 to 7. What is the CF? 4 to 7, 85. Next, below 7. Below 7, okay. Below 10. Below 10 means 7 will not come in this. So 7 and less than 10, 7 to 10. It is given 140. Next, below 13. So 10 to 13. 10 to 13. It is 243. Then below 16 means 13 to 16. Okay, 13 to 16. Let us see. It is given 300. So find CF, find frequency F. So first frequency will be 85. 85 will remain 85, yes or no? 85 will remain 85, my dear. Okay, because your class interval will start from this 85. Then for next, you take the difference of these two. 140 minus 85. 140 minus 85, that is 55. Next, take the difference of these two. 243 minus 140. 243 minus 140 is 103. Okay. Then 300 minus 243. 300 minus 243. 300 minus 243 is 47. And 57. 57. Add all these. 85 plus 55 plus 103 plus 57. Tell me how much it is. 5, 5, 10. 140. 140 plus 160. Yes, 160. That is 300. How much it is? 300. So total of frequency is 300. And see, there is no need to calculate the total. The total of this will be nothing but your last year. The total will be nothing but your last year. Yes, just see the total. Okay. The total will be nothing but your last value of CF. So 11th we did, now 12th. Okay, further question is given. State the number of students in the age group 10 to 13. 10 to 13, how many students are there? 103. So write down the answer. State the number of students in the age group 10 to 13. For number of students, we find the frequency. Okay. For number of students, we consider the frequency. Number means frequency. Frequency means the number of times the object has appeared. So now we write first question. State the number of students in the age group 10 to 13. So first, in the age group 10 to 13, there are 103 students. 103 students. Okay. Okay. 103. Do not write students because it is not given. Then second, state the age group which has the least number of students. Least means smaller. Least means smaller, 7 to 10. Yes. The age group 7 to 10 has least number of students. Least means smaller. Least number of students. Least number that is 55. I means that is 55. The age group 7 to 10 has least number. Okay. Then 12th one. 12th one. Let me make the table. 12th one. Okay. So list means smaller number of students. List means smaller. Now 12th one. So class mark, then range, then adjustment factor, those are important concepts of this first part. Now 12, fill in the blanks in the following table. 12th one. You are given class interval, then you are given frequency, F, then cumulative frequency CF, cumulative frequency that is CF, cumulative frequency CF. Okay. So class interval 25 to 34, then 35 to 44, then 45 to 54, 55 to 64, 65 to 74, and 75 to 84. Okay. Then which values are given? Okay, this is given dash, then 21, then 16, then dash, then 12. Okay. Then in frequency we are given 15, 28, then CF is dash, this is dash, then it is 73, then last is dash. Okay. So now let us find. Yes. So now frequency and cumulative frequency, first number remains same. So 15. Okay. Yes. Now 15 we have added which number, we get 28. So that will be 28 minus 15. 13. 28 minus 15, that is 13. Then 28 we add to, so 28 plus 21, that is 49. Okay. 49 plus 16, 65. Then 65 we have added to which number? We get 73. That is 73 minus 65. 8. Okay. Then 73 plus 12. 73 plus 12, that is 85. In this way we complete. So from frequency we have got cumulative frequency. Then the value of pi up to 50 decimal place is okay. Make a frequency distribution table of digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal place. Then which are the most and the least occurring digits. So let us make a frequency distribution table of digits from 0 to 9. Okay. So the value of pi is given 3.14 something. So after decimal, so 13. So write down this digits. We make the table digits. See here, for frequency table, what we find? For frequency table, Yes, tally mark. Yes, frequency table we have to find tally mark. Tally marks. Okay. Then last it will be frequency. Tally marks. Then last it will be frequency. Last it will be frequency. Let us see. So what are the digits? It is asked from digits from 0 to 9. So we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are the digits. Okay. Chalo, after decimal, make a frequency distribution table of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal. So first it is 1. You cancel that. With pencil you cancel. 1. 1 I will write there. 1. Vertical stroke 1. Then 4. Then again 1. Okay. 1, 4, 1. 5, 9. 5, 9. 5, 9. Then 2, 6. 2, 6. After decimal. 2, 6. Then 5, 3. 5, 3. 5, 3. Then again 5, 8. 5, 8. Okay. Then 5, 8. Then 9, 7. 9, 7. 9, 7. 9, 7. Then 9, 3. 9, 3. Then 9, 7, 9, 3. Then 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. Then 9, 3, 2, 3. Then 8, 4. 8, 4. 8, 4. Then 6, 2. 6, 2. Then 6, 4. You go on cancelling. 6, 4. 6, 4. Okay. Then 3, 3. Correct? 3, 3. 3 and one more 3. So fifth stroke will be across. 3, 3. Then 8, 3. 8 and 3. 8, 3. 2, 7, 9, 5. 2, 7. 2, 7, 9, 9, 5. 2, 7, 9, 5. Okay. Then 0, 2, 8, 8. 0, 2, 8, 8. 0, 2. Now fifth stroke. 0, 2. 8, 8. 8. Then again 8. Fifth stroke. 8, 8. Then 4, 1, 9, 7. 4, 4, 1. Then 9, 9. Fifth stroke. Then 7. 4, 1, 9, 7. Then 1, 6, 9, 3. 1, 6, 9, 3. 1, 6, 6, 9. Then 3. Okay, 1, 6, 9, 3. Then 1, 6, 9, 3. Then 9, 9, 3, 7. 9, 1, 6, 9, 3. 9, 9, 3, 7. 9, 9, 3, 7. 9, 9, 3, 7. 9, 9, 3, 7. 9, 9, 3, 7. 5, 1, 0. 5. 5, 1, 0. 5, 1, 0. Okay, let us count how many are there. 2, 5, then 5, then 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 4, then 5, 4, 4, 5, yes, how much that is? Now 5, and last one is 5, last one is 8. Just count how many are there. That much of number of digits you should. 50. Okay. So total will be 50. Okay. Total is 50. Now what is asked in the question? What is most occurring digit? 3 and 9, because they occur 8 times. So most occurring digits. So most occurring digits are 3 and 9. 8, 8 and 8. 8 is 3 and 8 is 9. So find which are the most. Okay. So most occurring digits. Most occurring 50. Most occurring digits are 3 and 9. Then what is asked? The least occurring digit is, so 0 has occurred 2 times, so that is the least. So least occurring digit is 0. Okay. So this is 0 is least, because this is 2 and 3 is 8. So this is most occurring digit. Then 9 is also 8. So most occurring digit. Okay. So most occurring digits are 3 and 9. Least occurring digits are 0. Okay. So this complete our 18A. So next time whenever we have period, carry 4 graph paper with you. At least 4 graph paper. Yes. So graph paper is must. Graph paper, pen, pencil, rubber, okay, and scale.